The Two of Spades carries the essence of partnership through discipline, the sacred contract of working together towards a common goal. Unlike the Two of Hearts, which seeks emotional unity, this card asks, can we build something enduring, something useful together? To understand its deeper purpose, we look to the planetary influences that shape this soul's life and lessons. The Eight of Hearts in Mercury gives this person a powerful mind when it comes to emotional intelligence. They can read the room intuitively, speaking from the heart with authority, and carry influence in matters of love and social harmony. However, if that influence turns manipulative or emotionally stubborn, communication may suffer. The key here is using emotional magnetism for authentic connection, not control, especially in the partnerships that the Two of Spades seeks to build. With the Six of Clubs in Venus, there's a love for fairness, truth, and inner guidance. This soul is most attracted to people who live with integrity and repelled by those who speak carelessly or fail to follow through. There's also a natural grace in how they communicate values and ideals, often becoming a quiet guide to others. Relationships must allow for peaceful alignment with the truth, or they will gracefully retreat to protect their center. The Six of Spades in Mars brings an inner steadiness and maturity in how they pursue goals and handle conflict. These individuals often appear calm under pressure, but that doesn't mean they don't feel the heat. They just move with silent resolve. When anger does arise, it's best processed through action, responsibility, and acceptance. There's a karmic undertone here. What they put out comes back, especially in how they assert themselves. The Queen of Hearts in Jupiter is a powerful symbol of nurturing abundance. Here is someone who is richly rewarded when they embody compassion, emotional maturity, and heartfelt generosity. When in teaching, healing, or the arts, this queen blesses them with the ability to nurture others with deep wisdom. It's important, however, to care for themselves as well, for this queen can give endlessly and forget to refill their own cup. With the Ten of Clubs in Saturn, discipline around ideas, structure, and leadership becomes both a challenge and a responsibility. These individuals are being trained to organize their thoughts, master their message, and shoulder the weight of mental responsibility. At times, they may feel overwhelmed by all they need to know or do, but Saturn is molding them into a vessel for intellectual excellence. The reward is profound, becoming a voice others respect. The Eight of Diamonds in Uranus brings the unexpected blessings and challenges of financial and personal power. These people often surprise others with their independent earning ability or bold financial choices. Yet they must learn how to wield power without domination and how to let go of control without collapsing into chaos. Freedom for them is not about escape, it's about creating stability through their own terms. With the King of Spades in Neptune, there's a hidden mastery longing to be claimed. This placement suggests a spiritual leadership that transcends ego, one where power is used for service, not status. If they trust their inner vision and align with their higher self, they can walk with quiet authority and inspire others effortlessly. But illusions of control or spiritual superiority must be dissolved before this potential is fulfilled. The Three of Hearts in Pluto marks a deep transformational journey in matters of love and emotional expression. These people are here to overcome indecision, scattered affections, or superficial connections. The lesson is to anchor their heart, to move from maybe to meaning, and from restlessness to emotional sovereignty. In doing so, they transmute their uncertainty into creativity, vulnerability, and authentic intimacy. So the Two of Spades, though seemingly quiet, carries an impressive planetary cast. The Queen of Compassion, the King of Spiritual Mastery, and the disciplined Ten of Clubs shaping the mind. This is a life of service, power, and spiritual discipline, all unfolding through the sacred dance of partnership. When they align with purpose and trust their inner guidance, they become builders of lasting structures, not just in the world, but within the human heart.